Good morning, everybody. This is your cameraman Dana Drupsky for another update of the construction on Laurel Boulevard in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And today is January 17, 2023, and right now it's about almost 8 o'clock in the morning. And it's kind of cloudy, and the high is about 40. It's going to be the high 43. Yeah, and yep. Yesterday or even parts of last night, they were there about nearly 11 straight friggin' hours. I waited for them to go, but they wouldn't budge. That's the reason I couldn't do the aftermath. They're putting up some surveys or something like that. And look what they did over there. Yep. And I couldn't go there when it's pitch dark yesterday. They were there for the whole time, and that was a long record. About 11 hours. Usually they just leave around by 3, 4 o'clock, but they didn't. But they wouldn't budge. They just got here just now about 10 minutes ago, and I just came from eating breakfast. And I think we see some more trucks over there. I don't go over there when they're working. I only go over there when they're not there. And I gotta watch out for that little hole. They're only just doing some measuring. If they're gonna build a basement or something. Yep. And yesterday morning we have like the lumber arrived. Yep. This is another day of the construction. They've been here about 15 days, about 2 weeks, since the 2nd of January. Everybody's back in school today. Yesterday we had Martin Luther King Day holiday. Boy, I had fun at the bowling alley over in Yorksville. I think it's in Pikesville. Look at that. They just making this more messy with the rocks. And let's hope they're not chopping any more trees. I love these friggin' trees a lot. they'll be here for a while, and I do hope you enjoyed this first video of January 17, 2023 video, and I'll see you later for more of the updates when they're doing some more changing. And please comment, subscribe, or ring a bell if you like any of those other constructional videos. Yep. And now I have to charge my camera. And I'll see you later, and watch my videos. Bye.